And some breaking news coming in at this moment. There is no end to bickering between Aam Aadmi Party leaders. Another letter bomb just exploded with party's National Council member from Mumbai, Praful Vora, speaking to volunteers and asking for a patch-up between the warring factions in a veiled attack on the Kejriwal camp. He says that no individual should try to dominate party and the council. Aam Aadmi Party's Praful Vora saying that the party needs Prashant and Yogendra Yadav. But as Kejriwal is busy dealing with internal rift in the party, the municipal corporation workers are now on the warpath. The Safai Karamcharis on warpath in Delhi's civic body. Workers are in fact protesting not being given their salaries for the past 3 months. On your screen, workers are littering streets in fact of Delhi with garbage and asking Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal to address their woes. We'll just put out those pictures in just a short moment from now. The civic body workers are in fact protesting in Delhi. There you have it, those pictures. Let's go full frame to those pictures to actually show you what sort of a protest this actually is. The Safai Karamchari Union has in fact littered the streets, which is their form of protest, because they feel that they have, their demands have in fact not been met. These are municipal corporation workers who are in fact on a war path. The Safai Karamcharis in Delhi. These are of course civic body workers. They are protesting for not being given their salaries for the past 3 months.
मैं आपको ये बताना चाहता हूँ इस चैनल के माध्यम से कि आज हमारे सफाई कर्मचारियों को, हम खुद सफाई कर्मचारी हैं, हमारे को 3 महीने से हमारा वेतन नहीं मिला। उसके विषय में हम ये कूड़ा गंदगी फैला रहे हैं जिससे कि इनकी केजरीवाल की आंखें खुल जाए, इनकी आंखों पर जो पर्दा लगा हुआ है वो खुल जाए। हमारे कर्मचारी के बच्चे भूखे मर रहे हैं, हम भूखे मर रहे हैं, हमारे बच्चों को स्कूल से निकाला जा रहा है।
कूड़ा इसलिए डालते हैं जब हम सफाई कर सकते हैं तो हम गंदगी भी मचा सकते हैं, क्योंकि 3 महीने से हमारे बच्चों के लिए सैलरी नहीं मिली। बच्चे जाते हैं स्कूल के लिए, भगा देते हैं।
क्या वजह बता रहे हैं सैलरी ना देने?
सैलरी कह रहे हैं एमसीडी के लिए पैसा नहीं है, हमारे पास कोई पैसा नहीं है।
कौन?
All right, let's cut across live now to Deputy Editor Atir Khan, who joins us on the phone line with all the latest. Atir, these are 4th grade workers of civic body who have formed their own way of, found their own way of protesting. Now, many may call it unique, but this is perhaps an attempt to seek some sort of attention from Arvind Kejriwal by dumping the streets of Delhi. If these are civic body workers, then perhaps they are represented by the municipal bodies, that is MCD, where the BJP has a very strong force. Can you just take us through what really is the problem over here?
Well, you see, this is not new that they have resorted to this tactic earlier also on occasions wherever there have been a rift between the MCD employees and the government. They have resorted to such tactics. But this time around, it is more serious because their salaries have not been paid for months. And now the Delhi government has said that they cannot do anything about it, and their salaries would be paid only from the funds which are sanctioned by the centre. Earlier the governments used to pay from the Delhi government funds, but then this government has flatly refused. They say that they are with the employees, and the employees should be with them for seeking, for demanding the grants from the centre.
That's right, Atir Khan joining us from Delhi.